Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to select two different columns in Excel at the same time. Let's get started. When working in an Excel sheet, there might be instances where we need to select columns that are not adjacent to each other. Let's see how to do that quickly and easily. To select the first column, click on it. Then press and hold the Control key. While holding it, click on any other column you need to select. You can continue and select more columns if necessary. To unselect any highlighted columns, simply press and hold the Control key again, and click on the column that needs to be unselected. The Control key is very convenient for selecting different rows or separate cells in the same way. Use it in an Excel sheet to select or unselect any cells, rows, or columns regardless of adjacency. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.